Hello, this is Bob Joyner, and in this video we're going to be talking about why keep a trading journal. Keeping a journal is the most direct path to trading success. I really believe that. It's not, you learning a new indicator. It's not you figuring out a new strategy even. It's not joining some kind of group, or paying $1,000 or $2,000 for a day trading course. It's going to be because you paid attention to your trades. And the best way to pay attention to your trades is to write about it, to record them and write about it. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video here. It is the single most important thing that I've done to become a better trader. And that's the truth. And I've got thousands of pages of journal writing. So in this video, I'm going to cover three things: tools you can use, which is going to be real brief, what you can write about, and then what the process shows about you. So first up, tools that you can use. Every computer probably has either a snipping tool or the snip and sketch tool, and basically that tool is a free tool and it just allows you to do a screenshot of your charts. And the reason you want to do that is because I highly recommend, if you don't record a screenshot of the trade as it's occurring, exactly when you entered the trade and when you exited the trade. If you're not taking a screenshot of that, you can go back before the day gets over with. So this is a daily thing you need to be doing. But go back and record that, draw circles, draw a block, whatever you need to draw on the chart. It's easy to do with those free tools. And take a snapshot of that and put that in your document. Your document is the second piece, which is going to be either a Google Docs or Microsoft Word or something else. The main thing is that you want to be writing, okay? You want to be writing about what's going on, and we'll cover some of the things you can talk about here next. So questions you can ask: what did I do well today? You can have some days that are just, you did well and you did great. What was it? What was it about that trade? What was it about today that really worked well for you? What needs improvement? If you slipped up, you feel like you could have done better, what was it? What needs improvement? What is the one thing I can change that might create more profit? That's a good question. On my worst or best trade of the day, what did I see or fail to see? When you go back and review and you've got the benefit of time and reflection, you can go back and look at the chart and say, oh, didn't see that. Other questions you can ask. In the last video I recorded, I talked about KPIs for your trading business, and some of those questions involve, like, what was my equity on each trade? What was my percentage profit and loss? What were my percentage winners to percentage of losers? What was my net percentage gain or loss in the trade? Why did I take the trade when I did? Why did I exit the trade when I did? Were there certain things on the chart that told me to do this or that? Or was it just a whole self-talk, inner discussion type thing where I made decisions based on a whim or based on what somebody said or based on anything? Okay, write it down. Whatever it was, just write it down. Okay, what was my self-talk as I made each decision? And that's part of the real nuts and bolts of a journal, is you're not just recording the trade. I took XYZ at such and such a price, I sold at such a price, I made such and such profit. That's part of it. That's just the foundation, really. What you really want to get into is you want to get into the self-talk. What were you thinking when you did what you did? Why did you do what you did when you did it? Okay, those are the real kind of questions you want to dig into, and you have the benefit of trading, of typing into a journal. If you don't like it written, if you don't like the computer, take out a yellow legal pad, do something to review your trades and get those thoughts on paper so that you can think about things. Obviously, the more you write, the more you investigate, the more you think about things, the better you're going to become. And what was it that really made me nervous today in the market? Make a note of those things. Lastly, just want to talk about what this process says about you. If you're not keeping a journal, I really have to question whether you are serious as a trader. And there are three reasons why I'm saying that, okay? Keeping a journal says that you are curious. You're not taking anything for granted. You want to dig in. You're curious about, why did the market do that? Why did this trade do that? Why did I do this or that? Okay, you're curious. You're just naturally curious, and that curiosity, is born out of the passion that you have for trading, and you wanting to do better. So it also says that you're committed. If you're just throwing in money at trades, you're throwing money at the market, you're really not you can call yourself a trader. I really don't think you are. Okay, you're a gambler maybe, but you're not a trader. Okay, if you are committed to trading and you're committed to this journey over time, because it's going to take you some time to learn how to do it well, then the best place to record that commitment and to record those observations is in some form of a written journal. Okay, and the last thing is, it shows, when you write in a journal, it shows that you want to get better. It shows that you know it's not just chance. It shows that you know that there are things within your control that you can do to become a better trader. And that's what this whole journaling experience is about. Another resource for you is a book on Amazon called The Daily Trading Coach. I'll put a link in the description box below this video if you want to check out that book. But the idea of that book, again, is to facilitate you as you create a trading journal, as you think about trading, as you think about your career as a trading, as you think about all the psychological things that go on as you trade. Okay, book might help you ask some questions and put those answers into that journal I'm talking about and fill the thing out. So if you like this video, of course, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and continue learning. Appreciate you visiting today, and here's some of the videos that you might be interested in going forward. Thanks.